Welcome friends, come inside. Maxie and Pixie's house is wide. We play, we learn, we count, we sing. So many fun things we can bring. Woof woof! Hi friends! Yep yep! Welcome to our house! Play, we learn, let's play house together! Hi Nancy!
Oh no! The toys are messy! Let's clean and learn colors. What color is this toy car? Yes, it's red. How many red cars do we see? 1. What color are the bananas? What color are the bananas? What color are the bananas? Yes, yellow. 1, 2. Splash, splash! Splash, splash! Watch them go! Look at those toys! What color are the bath toys? Look! Look! The bath toys are blue! 2, 3. 3 blue bath toys. Can you clap 3 times? Clap, clap, clap. Woof. Let's water the plants. What color are the plants? They are green. 1, 2, 4. 4 green plants. Stretch tall like a plant. Fluffy pillows. What color are they? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pillows. What color was the car? D. What color were the bananas? Yellow. Yellow. Can we count to 5 together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At our house we laugh and play, learning new things every day. Count to 5 and shout hooray!